So hello guys, we are here now in San Lorenzo, Argentina. Currently undergo this loading operation from number 4 cargo hold. So we already finished here in number 6. No? Anyway, our vessel is a bulk carrier. This one would be the Panamax. 7 cargo hold space and gearless. So meaning no crane except this. No? This is what we call the bunker David. So our cargo is soya bean. So last time we partially loading on this on that part of this port, and yeah, it's also San Lorenzo, part of this Argentina country. So we load in number 2, this what we call the trigo or the grains. So now number 4 and 6 is soya bean. So since we are here in number 2, no, this 2A deck, I'm gonna explain to you this life buoy. So we have 2 types of life buoy. So first thing, we have this ordinary life buoy, and also we have the MOB or the man overboard life buoy that is intended only for operating quick release arrangement. So now we are focusing on this ordinary life buoy itself. No, I'm gonna explain to you what are these established measurement that is associated with this equipment as per the SOLAS regulation. So yeah, we have this life buoy itself, this equipment. So when it comes to measurement, life buoy, we have this outer diameter of not more than 800 millimeter, and also we have this inner diameter of not less than 400 millimeter. So this grab line is secured. So take note guys, this is a grab line secured at 4 equidistant point of this circumference. So meaning this grab line have a diameter of not less than 9.5 millimeter. And also we have the name of the vessel and the port of registry, Monrovia, Liberia, depends on your flag state. Retro reflective tape as well. So we have this for equidistant point. And yeah, this self-igniting lights. So luminous intensity of not less than 2 candle lights, and have a discharge flashing rate of not less than 50 flashes and not more than 70 flashes per minute. And the source of energy can be 2 hours. Okay, so now let's proceed here in firebox. Okay, in firebox there's a associated equipment inside of this box. So as you can see, this marked fire hose and nozzle. So as per the IMO, the International Maritime Organization. Let's open. Okay, so complete. So we have the fire hose itself, the nozzle, and also we have this spanner. Okay, so take note guys, if the instructor or teacher asks you what are the things inside of this firebox, so you can tell this 3 things: fire hose, okay, fire nozzle, and spanner. So 3 things. So let's close. Okay, so I hope you gained some knowledge about what I've discussed today. So since I have free time, okay, so keep safe and God bless guys.